Hello everyone, I'm Niklas from the COMBEST support team. Behind me you can see our classic best-selling FIW series LED display. We can see the left side is displaying normally, but on the right side of the screen, it's currently in a black screen state. Next, join me for some troubleshooting. We'll use this magnetic tool to remove the modules and check the receiving card status to determine what the problem is. Usually, after removing two modules, we can see this receiving card on the hub board. We can clearly see the red indicator light is on, proving that this part has power. With the green indicator light flashing, we can determine that there's currently no signal input. In other way, the signal reception in this area might be the issue. Next, we can troubleshoot from the processor side to see what the problem is. In LED environments like exhibition halls, we usually use the TB series multimedia controller to control the LED display. Next, let's look at the TB controller output end. Let's confirm that the two output network ports are connected. But we notice that this network port might be loose. Now let's connect it properly. Once the TB control end is connected, we can see the image has returned to normal. And next, let's check the indicator light on the receiving card. It's flashing status. The green light flashes once per second, proving it's receiving the signal normally. Next, we can reinstall the removed LED modules. What we can see is that the entire LED display is back to normal. When we encounter a black screen, we need to determine if the black area is by receiving card, by network port, or black screen caused by the processor. Then based on the black screen status, we can decide which part to troubleshoot. If you encounter any issues while using COMBEST LED displays, any problems at all, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.